Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Framer for hosting interactive UI prototypes, detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started with Framer for hosting interactive UI prototypes, first, open your web browser. Visit the Framer website by entering the URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, look for the Sign Up button, which is usually located at the top right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to create a new account. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and a secure password. After entering your details, confirm your email address by checking your inbox for a verification email. Click the verification link in the email to activate your account. Once your account is activated, return to the Framer website and log in using your credentials. After logging in, you will be directed to your Framer dashboard. On the dashboard, locate the Projects tab and click on it to view your existing projects or create a new one. To create a new prototype, click the New Project button, usually found in the upper right corner. Select a template or start with a blank project based on your design needs. Design your interactive prototype using Framer's visual interface and components. Once your design is complete, click the Publish button, typically found in the upper right corner of the editor. In the publishing options, you will see the hosting feature. Select the hosting option that suits your needs, whether it's for sharing, collaboration, or feedback. Follow the prompts to set up hosting, which may include choosing visibility settings and project details. After configuring hosting options, click the Host button to make your prototype available online. Once hosted, you will receive a shareable link to your interactive prototype. You can distribute this link as needed for testing or feedback. To manage your subscription, navigate back to your account settings. In the account settings, find the Plan or Subscription section. Review the available subscription tiers and select one that meets your requirements. Follow the prompts to complete your subscription purchase. You will receive a confirmation email detailing your subscription status. Now you are all set to use Framer for your interactive UI prototypes with hosting capabilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.